Well, good afternoon. This is Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications and GeoCollaborate. This is a 5 p.m. afternoon update on July 6th for Tropical Storm Beryl. It is now 5:43 of this afternoon on the East Coast. You can see Beryl spinning in the Gulf of Mexico. It's trying to get its act together, and it's visible on the satellite imagery. We can see some of these outflow boundaries going to the southwest of the center. And it looks like it is starting to vertically stack a little bit. That means that the storm could intensify even further. It is expected to make landfall on the coast of Texas as a hurricane, as a Category 1 hurricane during the morning on Monday. Let me take you a little bit closer here and show you what it looks like from the vantage point of the visible satellite sector. This is the GOES satellite, and you can see here's the cluster of thunderstorms here. You kind of need those thunderstorms to really wrap around the center of the storm to help it vertically stack and also to intensify. You can see outflow boundaries here. This imagery is every 1 minute from the NOAA GOES satellite that's orbiting 22,300 miles up in space. Now, I want to show you GeoCollaborate as well and what that looks like, because GeoCollaborate is showing the past track of Tropical Storm Beryl as it came off the Yucatan Peninsula, quite weakened and torn apart by land, and also because of some southwesterly shear. That means winds of about 20 miles per hour were blowing from southwest to northeast as the storm was over the Yucatan. That kind of tends to untilt the hurricane and weaken it into a tropical storm. But Beryl is persistent. It's now entering an area of more favorable conditions where it could redevelop. You can see on the radar data, the outer bands of Beryl are showing up by the land-based radar network from the National Weather Service. And this is the center of the storm right now with 60-mile-per-hour winds, forecast to take this path right into the central Texas coast. And we do have storm surge warnings in effect and also hurricane warnings. Let me show you that graphic here. Right now we have hurricane warnings in effect from Baffin Bay, Texas to Sargent, Texas. And we also have storm surge warnings in effect from Padre Island National Seashore, the northern part of that seashore, to San Luis Pass. And that includes Corpus Christi Bay and Matagorda Bay. We could see storm surges in the range of 2 to 4 feet, some areas 3 to 5 feet. Now, what does that mean for the sensitive information sharing environment? We will have impacts of heavy rain, and I want to show you GeoCollaborate. I'll go back to GeoCollaborate here for a second, because I do want to show what it looks like for expected rainfall for GeoCollaborate. I'm just going to open up the menu here, turn on the layer from the WPC forecast for the significant weather and 3-day excessive rainfall forecast. So there you go. Any area that you see in red, and I can zoom in on that a little bit closer here, right along, and it's particularly to the right of where the storm makes landfall, excessive rainfall in this area of 3 to 5 inches and perhaps up to 10 inches of rainfall. This could impact the movement or the delivery of critical supplies, whether it's to medical supplies being delivered to hospitals or to pharmacies, or other types of delivery could be impacted by flooded roadways. We'll be monitoring the stream gauge network and also working on pulling in some of the inundation areas that are expected based on the flood inundation model from NOAA's National Water Center in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. But this color-coded area looks like the highest chance of excessive rainfall in coastal Texas and eastern Texas as well. And you can see that's up towards Bryan, Texas, College Station right here, and also here's Tyler, Texas, and Longview, Texas. So this yellow area still means an above average chance for flooding rains as this storm comes ashore. And certainly we will see storm surges in the range of 2 to 4 feet, and in some areas 3 to 5 feet. We will keep you posted. Please pay attention to the crawl above me at the top of the screen and also at the bottom here where we have some of the latest information. Also check in with the GeoCollaborate dashboard. That dashboard also has a crawl on it that will update you, as well as the key points window that will keep you posted on any developments. That's it for this update. I'm Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications. The next update will be tomorrow. We'll keep you posted. Also, it is expected to become Hurricane Beryl again over the next 24 hours as it gets its act together. Hurricane recon flights from NOAA and also the U.S. Air Force are flying into Beryl, taking measurements of pressure, wind direction, and wind speed, and we're certainly monitoring it here with GeoCollaborate. Once again, you can see some of these outer bands approaching southern Louisiana, and also those bands have heavy rain in them. Here's some getting a little closer to shore as well. Thunderstorms and very strong gusty winds that could reach 39 to 72 miles per hour, 73 miles per hour. That's tropical storm force. So we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching this update. We'll distribute it through the SISE internal network here in just a few minutes. Thanks so much for watching.